Welcome back. It's time for another Wildcat Wednesday. We've got Julie Smith and Cami Ryan in studio this morning, here to tell us about a big expo coming up called Aging with Attitude.
That's
which we all want to do, right?
Yes. Yeah, and we're all aging, and I think that at least us two, we have a little bit of attitude, so it's going to be a lot of fun. It's Friday, April 28th. This year it's going to be in the morning. This has been going on for, we think, about 12 years.
Really?
And it's in Parsons this year, and we're switching it up a little bit, and it's going to be a breakfast event. So come out and have breakfast and then a day of activities in the morning.
What kind of activities will be going on during the expo?
We have a lineup of speakers. We have keynote speakers from Lucas Nodine. He'll be talking about estate planning, and we have Hal Redford from Carson Wall Funeral Home, funeral planning. We have Toby Johnston from Commercial Bank, wealth management. We have Heidi Daly doing yoga, chair yoga. So make sure
That'll
you're,
be fun.
Yeah. kind of, break the tension and get people out of their chairs and have some fun with that. And we have door prizes, just a lot of different things going on. So.
Yep. And Joanne Smith, that owns SEK Living Magazine, publisher, she's going to be doing a special presentation on day trips here in Southeast Kansas. So that'll be really fun and exciting, just to be reminded of what actually we have close to home.
There's a lot of stuff to do just within there and back. So that's awesome.
We forget about that. So
yeah.
Yes.
Especially with the economy the way it is, we need to support local. So that's always good.
Yeah.
Do folks need to sign up in advance for this event, or can they just show up that day?
There is pre-registration, and that ends April 21st, so next Friday. There is a website and a phone number you could call or contact any of our extension offices to get signed up. There's a $15 registration fee. That includes breakfast, and then just the day of activities. There's a resource fair. There's going to be all kinds of free stuff, and just a lot of fun.
Now, is this event solely put on by the Extension Service, or is there other organizations that help?
This is a group effort. There's a lot of folks on the planning committee. Tara Solomon Smith is the organizer this year with Extension, but it's sponsored a big part by the Area Agency on Aging financially. So they're the key sponsor in all of this, but it's a group of people that come together to share all of their resources and education and just try to make it as much fun as possible.
Cool. Now, this is an annual event. You said 12th year, I think. That you've been doing that. What other events? There's other things that you guys do throughout the year for seniors. I mean, the extension really.
Sure. So we have programs all throughout the year for seniors, and then Cami also is involved with a lot of things where there's just always something going on at different senior centers, and the goal for all of us, I think, in this whole planning committee is just to keep seniors active and getting out and just having a good time with each other. And I just really encourage groups of people to get together and road trip to Parsons for this event.
All right, and we'll have more information about where you can sign up on our website later this morning. Thank you for coming in, ladies.
All right, thank you.
We'll be right back.